Today, we don't go down. We go in. Inside the plant. Inside the consciousness of each molecule.
Each of them has a voice, a desire, a medicine they were born to offer. And now, you get to meet them.
Tetrahydrocannabinol, the spark that sets the world ablaze.
The one who bends time, sharpens colors, opens gates to inner galaxies.
CBD, the stillness after the storm, the balm for broken nerves.
She doesn't shout. She leans close and whispers the body back into balance.
Cannabinoids, the mother of them all, the quiet architect, laying the roots for all to grow.
She wakes the mind, heals the gut, anchors the spirit into form.
Cannabinol, the gentle hand that lowers the lids, the lullaby made flesh.
She doesn't steal consciousness. She rocks it gently into restoration.
Tetrahydrocannabivarin, the sharpened edge, precision over pleasure, focus over chaos.
When you need speed, clarity, hunger for growth, she is the blade you call.
Now you know them not as chemicals, but as consciousnesses.
Next, we enter the lab, where we learn how to call them forth and wield them with intention.